Stealth bomber. Petey!
No, 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 not again.
Come on.
There's Trey under the covers. Julian, the retarded trainer. Breezy, the stealth bomber director. And the fat. Go.
Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey.
Petey!
You up. Ow, you bit me.
What's going on over there? Oh, he's fighting. Oh.
Ah! Oh, come on. Look at it, Julian, look.
Oh, he jumped on top of him.
Julian, look, he tries to bite me. Ah! Look.
Oh.
Julian, look, he tries to bite me.
Back to the action.
Ah! Ah! Oh, come on, stop biting me. Eat the... Petey, come on, you're
Hey,
biting.
come on. Take the camera.
You gotta go up.
Come here, Breezy.
Petey. Petey.
Join, move, Petey.
Petey.
Petey. Bang it.
Oh.
Stealth bomber! Oh!
Yeah, you missed. I felt nothing.
Petey! Up!
Ah! Ah! He's sitting on me!
He's falling.
I didn't see like my dog.
He sat on his freaking face. What a retard.
Come on. He's hatching an egg.
Huh? What?